What is this?
We had something big.
Big.
This is more cowbell.
More cowbell.
That's exactly what you're looking for right here.
Taylor's with us again to explain what more cowbell is. What is this thing?
Don't you love it?
I think it's fantastic. I mean, it takes you back to Will Ferrell ringing the cowbell, right? Yeah.
Absolutely. That's pretty much why we do it. We play that video every single game day. It's one of our staples that our fans know and love. So we decided, why not make it 10 times bigger?
This thing's massive. It's bigger than we are.
Yeah, it
Holy
is.
cow.
So, Taylor, when is this thing like? I have a mallet. So when are people hitting this? Like, at what point during the game does this happen?
It's like all the time, really, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. So we bring it out during the third period.
Okay.
So this is how we kind of get the team, the crowd, everybody up and excited. We bring it out and we play more cowbell on the video board. And instead of just everyone ringing, we say, why not ring the bell with you? So we have someone that comes down, take the sledgehammer, and they go ahead and they just take a couple whacks at this cowbell.
Wow. I mean, you guys are always thinking about new things, making it exciting for the fans. Okay, Steven, you want to whack this thing or what? I feel like I need to move out of the way.
I do have a question. Like, should I, like, contain this? Like, should it be controlled?
Oh, no.
I need to move
All the way in?
I need to move out of the way.
Oh, no.
Moving out of the way.
I'm scared.
Oh.
I'm scared.
This is where you
There
hit
he
it as
goes.
hard as you can.
I felt that all the way through my
That
body.
feels good. Can I do it one more time?
Yeah.
Is that all right?
Okay, now my turn. I want to do it.
So you said folks are able to come out here and do this.
Ready?
Who are some of those folks?
Yeah, so as of last playoffs,
There
we
you go.
had everyone's favorite from the Detroit Red Wings. We've got a couple special Walleye alumni that love to come out and hit the bell and get the crowd going. So anyone you can think of, we've even had Santa Claus come on out
Oh,
here and hit
Santa
the bell.
Claus. Very, very cool. Okay, so puck drops tonight, what, 7:15?
7:15 puck drop tonight.
Wow, and there are still tickets available.
Yeah. Just a little under 200 still available. Playing the Willie Nailers tonight. The team is 3-1-1 at this point. So we're looking forward to a Kelly playoff run.
We got to do it.
Kelly Cup victory.
They're going to do it.
I hope so.
They're going to do it. They're going to do it. I mean,
Screaming loud enough for them.
and we're just going to keep hitting this thing, you know? I want another try at it.
Because it's more cowbell.
That's fun.
It gets you pumped up and ready for the season.
Woo! We're ready. Tay, do you want to do it? I feel like we're leaving you out.
Absolutely. Maybe just a little.
Yeah. Oh, she's a pro. She's a pro.